Question number 1 is, what is the significance of inland water transport in India? Answer to question number 1 is, inland water transport is significant for its cost effectiveness, energy efficiency and suitability for transporting bulk goods. Question number 2 is, what are the main challenges faced by the aviation sector in India? Answer to question number 2 is, challenges include high operational costs, limited infrastructure, congestion at airports and regulatory issues. Question number 3 is, how does the government promote the use of waterways? Answer to question number 3 is, the government promotes waterways by developing infrastructure, providing subsidies and implementing policies to encourage their use. Question number 4 is, what is the role of National Highways Authority of India, NHAI? Answer to question number 4 is, National Highway Authority of India is responsible for development, maintenance and management of national highways in India. Question number 5 is, how does the transport sector contribute to employment generation? Answer to question number 5 is, the transport sector creates jobs in construction, maintenance, operations, logistics and related industries. Question number 6 is, what is the importance of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, PMGSY? Answer to question number 6 is, PMGSY aims to provide all-weather road connectivity to unconnected villages, improving rural infrastructure and accessibility. Question number 7 is, what are the advantages of air travel over other modes of transport? Answer to question number 7 is, advantages include speed, efficiency in covering long distances and connectivity to remote and inaccessible areas. Question number 8 is, what is the role of the shipping industry in India's economy? Answer to question number 8 is, the shipping industry facilitates international trade, transportation of goods and contributes to the maritime economy. Question 9 is, what are the main challenges faced by the port sector in India? Answer to question number 9 is, challenges include congestion, outdated infrastructure, insufficient capacity and regulatory issues. Question number 10 is, how does the government support the development of the aviation sector? Answer to question number 10 is, the government supports aviation by developing infrastructure, providing subsidies, implementing favorable policies and promoting public-private partnerships. Question 11 is, what is the significance of the National Waterways Act 2016? Answer to question number 11 is, the National Waterways Act 2016 aims to develop and regulate inland waterways for transportation, promoting economic and environmental benefits. Question number 12 is, how do transport networks enhance national integration? Answer to question number 12 is, transport networks enhance national integration by connecting different regions, promoting cultural exchange and facilitating the movement of people and goods. Question number 13 is, what are the advantages of pipeline transport over other modes? Answer to question number 13 is, advantages include lower operational costs, safety, minimal environmental impact and efficiency in transporting liquid and gases. Question number 14 is, how does the development of transport infrastructure impact the agriculture sector? Answer to question number 14 is, improved transport infrastructure facilitates the movement of agricultural products to markets, reduce post-harvest losses and enhances farmers' income. Question number 15 is, what is the importance of the Dedicated Freight Corridor DFC project? Answer to question number 15 is, the DFC project aims to develop high-capacity rail corridors for freight, reducing travel time, improving efficiency and promoting trade. Question number 16 is, what are the main features of the Bharatmala Pariyojana? Answer to question number 16 is, Bharatmala Pariyojana focuses on developing highways for efficient freight movement improving connectivity and boosting economic growth. Question number 17 is, how do transport networks support industrial development? Answer to question number 17 is, transport networks supports industrial development by facilitating the movement of raw materials, finished goods and workers, reducing production costs and improving efficiency. Question number 18 is, what is the role of the Sagarmala project? Answer to question number 18 is, the Sagarmala project aims to modernize ports, enhance port connectivity and promote port-led industrial development. Question number 19 is, what are the environmental benefits of using railways over road transport? Answer to question number 19 is, a railway produces low greenhouse gas emissions, reduce traffic congestion and are more energy efficient compared to road transport. Question number 20 is, how does the development of transport infrastructure impact tourism? Answer to question number 20 is, improved transport infrastructure enhances accessibility to tourist destinations, promotes tourism and contributes to economic growth. Question number 21 is, what is the significance of the north-south and east-west corridors? Answer to question number 21 is, the north-south and east-west corridors improve connectivity between different regions, facilitating trade, travel and economic development. Question number 22 is, how do transport networks impact the service sector? Answer to question number 22 is, transport networks improve access to markets, reduce delivery times and enhance the efficiency of the service sector, contributing to economic growth. Question number 23 is, what are the main challenges in developing transport infrastructure in hilly and remote areas? Answer to question number 23 is, challenges include difficult terrain, high construction costs, environmental concerns and limited accessibility. Question number 24 is, what is the importance of the Inland Waterways Authority of India, IWAI? Answer to question number 24 is, IWAI is responsible for the development, regulation and maintenance of inland waterways, promoting their use for transportation and trade. Question number 25 is, how does the development of transport infrastructure contribute to urbanization? Answer to question number 25 is, transport infrastructure promotes urbanization by improving connectivity, attracting investment and supporting the growth of urban centers. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.